You can just let go of your reins, and you can put your hands right there, and you're just going to bring that leg over. And then I'll help you just slide right down. Very good. Perfect. Joseph,
Woo!
you did it! Oh my goodness! So proud of you. Now you can breathe.
You can breathe. Yay!
It's just my hands were freezing. I finally put them on.
Oh,
What a
the
good
gloves!
stroke he
We should have had
was.
the gloves on. Didn't even think. I brought the gloves and we didn't even need them. Or didn't even use them.
Yay. We'll have plenty more days that we'll
Yeah.
So how do you feel? Did that feel good?
Like I rode a horse.
Do you feel like are you really proud of yourself? Do you feel like you accomplished something big? You did. You really did. Good job. All right, you ready we'll take her back in and get her undressed? Okay. Fantastic.
It was awesome.